In this video, we will explain how to make Windows transparent in Microsoft Windows. Download the program from the link below the video and extract it to the folder. Double-click on our program and run the program. Open a window as shown, right-click on it, and then click on Transparent. Click 50%. With this method, you can make all windows of Microsoft Windows transparent. To return to default settings, right-click on the window again. Click on 0% from Transparent. For other methods to exit, we can click on Default in the same menu. You can exit by hovering over the program from the bottom icon bar, right-clicking and clicking Exit.